How to add Google Maps location to Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Google Maps on your phone. Search for any location that you want to add to Instagram. In the bottom, you can see various options. Just beside saved, you can see share. Now you want to go ahead and tap on share, then tap on copy. From here, you need to open Instagram on your phone. Go to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Here, you want to tap on edit profile. Here on the links, you want to tap on the arrow that will add links. Tap on add external link, then paste the link that you have copied from Google Maps to here, then tap on done. As you do that, you'll be able to add Google Maps location to Instagram. Next, you can also send it to someone's DM. So open anyone's DM and paste the link here, then tap on send. Just like that, you'll be able to send Google Maps location to Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.